Okay, this time around without music, so I don't think we will have a problem with all kind of issue with the Facebook. Okay, all right. Thanks for joining me. All right, here being it has been quite a while since I make a last live video. Thank you for joining. All right. Okay, how are you guys so far? I am quite sure you guys are doing well. Hi, Sky. I'm quite sure you guys are doing well because, as you know, right, we are doing pretty well on our trading. Um, right, and okay, let's do some analysis here. Okay, this week there was a lot of lot of move, especially on the US dollar Canadian. Right, as you guys already know. Okay, I was in a bearish mode on this particular pair, especially anything against CAD, for example, like US CAD, GBP CAD, all this kind of stuff, right? So I was bearish on this kind of pair for quite some time, but as of today, I am clear of my UCAD position already. I have already taken all the profit out of it. Okay, one of the reasons I'm doing so right now is that I'm seeing like a sort of like a a little bit overdone in the sense already for a time being. Okay, so it's maybe they can go down a little bit furthermore. Now we are here, right? They can go down a little bit furthermore, but in my opinion, a little bit overdone in my opinion. Okay, market, even though there is always remember that, all right, market, even though there is a very bearish or bullish kind of like a scenario, okay, there can be an instant and they may have to do some sort of like a short squeezing, right? Because especially on those regulated market, right? Regulated market, they have to do some sort of like a short squeezing, all this kind of stuff. So there might be a quite more chance of short squeezing will be coming up. Okay, so what I'm saying is like for example, like this guy can go back up to 1.3497, I mean around 1.35, this kind of region they can move back up. Okay, so if you are looking for a short, I mean nothing wrong with that, but you also need to watch out that okay, it can go back up for no reason, stuff like that. All right, so this is what I'm looking at the moment. So I'm stay bearish for sure. It's just I'm looking that okay, maybe there is a signs of a short squeeze in the making. Okay, so let's see. So for waiting for a short, even I mean when it's go back up, even better, right? Because you can short at the higher price, for example, for this case, right? So I'm waiting for this kind of scenario to play out. Okay, all right, so this on UC put it the way. I have to tell you that I'm stay bearish, but I already clear all my short. I have taken profit from all my short. I'm looking for a possible rebound, and let's see. Okay, let's see. But at the moment I'm still looking for a short only mode. Okay, and if you haven't already know that especially like UCAD, this pair and oil, they go in inversely proportional mode. For example, oil is going all the way up, this pair will drop all the way down, all right, or vice versa. So this is something like a proxy oil play, right? If you have some problem or some leverage problem trading oil, you can look in this on this pair because they are basically almost 180 degrees here. So it's the same like you are trading oils like that. All right, it just is on a 100-degree so-called opposite direction. Okay, so this on a UC. Okay, another one is interesting one is this Dow Jones. Dow Jones for the past almost a week, they haven't really stopping yet. They are rushing all the way up. Okay, so in my opinion, okay, it's going up. Actually I had a short and I close it near to my break even, so I make a very tiny profit out of it. So anyway, I'm looking for a next setups. Okay, for if you want to see it now, hi Yanti. If you want to see it right now, of course the market is going up, right? So I'm not really blindly looking for a short and stuff like that. Okay, I'm expecting the market maybe they will go a little bit higher first. For example, 200 level first. Okay, and there may be some sort of like a retracement coming in. So if you ask me now, Joe, what do you want me to do? Of course I would say long lah, right? I mean we have stay on a bullish candle and stuff like that, right? So still look for a long. It's just that I'm expecting it can go maximum maybe 200 level, and then we have to see how the price react at this particular region. Okay, at this particular region. So this is some sort of like information that I'm looking right up. So currently, of course, I'm not overly bearish at the moment. I'm looking at this particular pair. Okay, I have to tell you that almost all the pairs now, okay, including GU, EU, all kind of goals, all gold, all this kind of against US dollar pair, right? They are pretty much hitting on the resistance already. Remember just now UCAT, I'm saying that they're hitting pretty nicely support, right? Of course, on those particular pair like GU, EU, and gold, silver kind of thing, right? And especially like NU again. So they are pretty nice sitting on the resistance already, okay? If you want to take a look, I can show you in the EU here. All right, they are pretty nicely wandering around the so-called the resistance level here. So if you really want to, you know, take position on the long side, I mean, which is you should be looking on that particular direction as well. But I would say a little bit late already. Okay, you got to be a little bit careful, because you know they can do some sort of like a rolling over or some stuff like that. Okay, nonetheless, I'm still looking for a long. Okay, you know, of course, looking for a long, instead of long here, I may as well long from here, right? I mean, the cheaper the better, isn't it? You know, same scenario playing out here. When it's come to short, of course, the higher the better for you to short from, right? So it's the same thing here. So yes, is they are stay on the long trade, but you got to really watch out that they're hitting pretty nice resistance. You know, I can go on and on. It is the same thing, roughly the same thing on the GU as well. This is GU, by the way. I'm stay bullish. I'm stay have a bullish position. All right, so I'm watching it closely now. So you know, stay can go up. Hopefully, stay can go up higher, lah, right? And another interesting thing is this guy. All right, so New Zealand, I'm pretty bullish on this particular guy. All right, so I am seeing it that, you know, currently they are hitting pretty nice, you know, pretty nice so-called the resistance level. That's the reason why you are seeing all this kind of, you know, like a bearish momentum kind of candle coming in. Okay. If you are a price action trader, and you know you are solely looking for this kind of indication, I am telling you, in the long run you are setting up for a failure. Okay, if you can prove me that you can make money, I would say show me your account. Okay, so I'm saying that, okay, here this is the kind of resistance coming. Yeah, is nothing wrong that, you know, there will be some sort of like bearishness coming in as well. But for me, being a bullish bias, this kind of places, right, I would rather wait for a pullback. Okay, I would rather wait for a pullback and look for a proper long. Okay, I think that will give me a better chance of surviving as long as my position is concerned. All right, so I'm done use CAT, I'm done Dow Jones. Okay, I'll tell you about the GU and EU, say that they are stay slightly bullish in the proposition, but you have to aware that they are really hitting some serious resistance now already. And I have just cover on NU as well. Okay, NU, yes, I'm still bullish, but I'm also aware that we are hitting pretty nice resistance. Okay, all right. Okay, I would like to make it short today. I would like to make it short because I mean, anyway, tomorrow is my birthday, so you know, let's see. Okay, so okay, now is gold. I'm getting old now, man. Okay, now is gold here. Okay, I'm still bullish for sure. And but if you notice, the market is really going on the, like, if you want to say on this triangle or whatever, you know, things you want to say here. Yes, it's on the kind of like a triangle mood right now, and they are really pretty hitting some serious resistance. Okay, our inner cycle member will know what are these mean, and that they know why are they behaving that particular manners. All right, so gold is, put it that way, for the past 5 days they are really in a big range. Okay, I'm thinking that eventually they may break out up. Okay, but you know, I have to wait and see. Okay, by the way, I have a gold long at the currently, right? So I'm looking at it closely, and also have my trade plan already in it ready. So I mean, it is work, it's okay, work, and I know what to do if it is working. If let's say it doesn't work, okay, I know what to do when does it work as well, right? So of course I'm betting for a breakout, and hopefully the market will favor on my so-called on my side. This week have been actually it's a good week for me, and I'm quite sure that all my inner circle member will be a good week for them as well, because you know those direction that we have expected actually almost all come, I mean, it take place. Okay, it just that, for example, UCAT, we are bearish, right? It just a now, in my opinion, a little bit maybe oversold a little bit. Okay, so you know, you may don't want to press a little bit harder on that. Okay, if you want to take some profit, nothing wrong with that. Okay, maybe you wait for another level, nicer level to go in short again. Okay, hi Nico. All right, All right, that's about it actually. I hope and I will try to make sure that I will be able to do this kind of regular video again and again. And I hope that my videos doesn't waste your time, for number one, and number two, it gives you some value in your trading. Thank you very much. As usual, if you like my video, give me a thumbs up or give me a heart shapes, and or you can share it to your friend, okay, or share it in your wall, share it in your groups, anyway, either way that you want. All right, thank you for joining, guys, and have a great tomorrow gonna be Friday, and after that gonna be weekend, right? Have a great week ahead and weekend ahead as well. Okay, so bye for now. Thank you.